Jumbo, welcome to Table Talk Feed. Controversial gospel singer Ringtone Apoko has finally explained why he wanted to give one of his Range Rovers to South Africa-based Ugandan socialite Zari Hassan. Speaking during a recent interview, the Zoea Mawe singer said he did not want to marry Zari but only wanted to encourage her, as he accused the media of misinterpreting his post. He went on to mention that, as a Christian, he only said he loved her just like Jesus loves her. I quote, Zari sikuwa nataka kumuoa. Niliona Diamond amemuacha na ana complain ati amekuwa heartbroken. Mimi kama mtumishi wa Mungu nikaona ni encourage. My first post nilisema, Zari najua umeachana na Diamond, ulishasema mwenyewe na kama unatafuta mwanaume hawezi kukuheartbreak ni Yesu. Nikamwambia mimi kama Ringtone na kupenda kabisa venye Yesu anakupenda. End of quote, said Ringtone. The controversial singer clarified that he offered Zari his high-end car because he had seen her post declaring love for that model of cars, and since he had others, he offered her one. I quote, hiyo nilikuwa najaribu kumsaidia. Alikuwa amepost akisema anapenda Range Rover, akapost akona ya white. Nikaona sababu nina nyingi na yeye akona moja, nikaona nimpe ya black. End of quote, he added. When he was asked why he had not settled down and if he was dating anyone, Ringtone said he has not yet seen the kind of woman he is looking for. I quote, wasichana wengi wenye ninapata wanataka fame na wanataka pesa. Because I decided, wasichana nimewaona lakini ule msichana natafuta sijamuona. End of quote, responded Ringtone. In 2018, Ringtone confessed love for Zari Hassan shortly after she parted ways with her baby daddy, Diamond Platnumz. That same year, she visited Kenya for a charity event, and during one of the media tours she had, Ringtone tried to deliver the Range Rover gift to her, but she blatantly turned down. That's it for today. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section down below. Like this video, share, subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.